Assalamualaikum. Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. This is your favorite Safwan Aslam Surah from the well-known English Language Center Bangladesh from the super batch KT 100. Today I'm gonna talk to you about a unique topic that's my daily life. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. Every day I follow a simple routine to stay active and happy. I woke up early in the morning at 6 o'clock and say my prayers. After that, I freshen up and study for a while. At 8 o'clock, I have a healthy breakfast and get ready for my school. My school starts at 11 o'clock and ends at 2:30 o'clock. After coming back home, I take my bath, have lunch, and take a short rest. In the afternoon, I woke up and go outside to play with my friends. In the evening, I sit down to study my lessons. After that, at 9 o'clock, I take my dinner with my family. While dinner, we talk about our day. In that time, we have a lot of fun. After that, I watch TV for a little while. Finally, at 10 o'clock, I go to bed and sleep peacefully. That's all for today. Thank you for listening to me accordingly. Bye!